Hey, what's going on, Disney fans? It's Disney Dan here. Okay, I'm not going to get emotional because this is intense. This just arrived in the mail. And so I wanted to share it with you guys because it's because of you guys that it happened, right? I really appreciate it. This is Susan, this is nice. CEO of YouTube, this is some really beautiful, this is some heavy paper. This is some nice paper. It's a really wonderful letter from the CEO of YouTube saying, like, congrats and, you know, more great stuff to follow. There it is. I can't even, like, oh, look, you can see the phone in the camera. I, I wish I had something better, like more interesting to say. Like, I'm just trying to hold it all together right now because this is just. I've never really like earned any, like, won any. I wasn't like the kid who had like trophies and like awards and stuff like that. And thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. I really do. I don't even. This is just crazy. It's just crazy to me. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone, all the subscribers, all the future subscribers, all the past subscribers, the people who hate me, the people who love me, the people who've helped me, from, like, Nate, Begle, to Art, Vega, to Defunctland and Rob and TPM Vids and Yesterworld and there. I can't. I literally can't list every, because there's just. Thank you, thank you. It really means a lot. Thank you, guys. You rock.